Hey everyone, how are you doing? So today we are opening up the Facetory for July 2019. As you can probably tell based on how I look and also the look of this subscription and the name, this is a sheet mask subscription. So I had one sheet mask left from last month. I kept it so I could wear it today. So I'll tell you about the mask I have on my face now, and then we will get into the subscription. Well, I guess I'll tell you about Facetory first. So, like I said, it's a face mask subscription. The one I get 4 a month, 4 sheet masks, and it's less than $8. I believe it's like $7.60. I will definitely leave the link down below along with the pricing. They also offer a package of 11 masks per month, so I'll leave the pricing below as well for that one if you're interested in getting even more masks per month. This subscription is available through Cratejoy, which I love, and yeah, it comes in this cute mailer every month, which I love. It's a resealable bag, so if you want to keep your face mask in here, you can. So last month we got like a lot of like summer themed masks. Like the one I have on today is called Dear Aloe. And it's probably like moving around my mouth area when I talk. Hopefully I don't look too scary. I literally like just got out of the shower. This robe's kind of hot, but yeah, so my skin's really been needing a face mask. I don't know what it is. I have like some breakouts and irritation in areas I never get them, but I've been trying out some new things. Like I've been using a new toner by Sunday Riley, and I was trying a new foundation. I've been testing out a lot of stuff, so I have to figure out what's causing it. So my skin definitely needed some TLC today. So the Dear Aloe mask, this has green tea, chamomile, and cactus. It says the delicious pleasure infused face mask sheet by Moksha. Get glowing skin activated by natural ingredient with fragrant. Special mask sheet for better absorption and deeper penetration of essence. Create healthful moistures, smooth balances, skincare. And on the back has some stuff in another language. This is made in Korea. It says a moisturizing gel essence mask sheet with aloe leaf extract. Restore moisture, entire skin, resilient and skin smooth. So yeah, the English isn't perfect, but that's fine. So the point is like aloe is very nurturing for the skin. We got a few masks that had aloe in it, just because in the summer we definitely get a lot more sun exposure typically, and our skin can use some hydration. So the directions said to spread the sheet mask on your face, relax and leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. Remove the mask, discard, and gently massage gel essence into the skin. So far it's fine. I was just walking around and stuff. I was setting up my camera, it might be moving a little bit like right here by my mouth, but it's fine. I like it so far. I put it on about like 4 minutes ago, so I might keep it on longer than this video. I could keep you guys updated how my skin feels after, if that is the case, but we'll see how long this goes. I want to make sure I get the max benefits. So let's move on to what we got in the July box. Oh, by the way, if you guys are curious, I love my hair turban so much. I got it in an influencer box. It's by Aquis. It seriously cuts down the drying time of my hair by like 50% like it claims. Like whenever I wash my hair, I always leave this in for a while. So I'll link that below if you guys are interested. These hair turbans are the best. All right, so when I open everything, this is what I see. It looks like there's a cute card on top. It says you had me at Aloha. Oh yeah, I forgot. Each month they give you a postcard, so you can like hang this up or actually send it to someone if you would like. But I think this is so cute. And then we have a card that talks about all of the masks for the month. So July, the theme is Forever Fresh. And it says, you had me at Aloha. Take a break and give your skin a treat with our Forever Fresh kit. This month is all about hydrating, moisturizing, and calming the skin during the hot summer months. Trust us, your skin will feel like it's on vacation. And then it gives you some tips on how to sheet mask. It says step 1, cleanse and tone. I did apply toner before I put this mask on. Step 2, apply the mask for 10 to 25 minutes, depending on the directions of the mask. Like mine said 10 to 20 minutes. I generally keep it on towards the longer end of the time frame. Step 3, remove the mask and pat down the remaining essence. All right, and then the rest of the information is about each sheet mask. So they talk about it, like why they love it, when to use it, and what the price is. So I will refer to this throughout the unbagging. Ooh, the first one has a cocktail on it. It says Cocktail Blue Hawaii. And there's the back of it. So I will read to learn more about this one. So it says, this is by Pouclair, the Cocktail Blue Hawaii Mask, made to provide exhausted skin with the nourishment it needs. This hydrating and calming sheet mask will make your skin feel like it's on a relaxing vacation. Why we love it. This is a go-to sheet mask for us when our skin feels super drained. This mask brightened our skin with a burst of vitamin C. The pineapple extract helps slough off dead skin cells while preventing blemishes and sun damage. The lemon extract works to make the skin glow like there's no tomorrow. These ingredients contain lots of antioxidants, so fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots should become a thing of the past. When to use it? After a long day at the beach or before a big day. The retail value of this mask is $3. The second mask we have is by Elmolu, if I'm saying that correct. It's the Day Nature Mask. It says energizing day, repairing, blemish, water drop, cooling, and AC control. So here is what it looks like. So it says this is a brightening, nourishing, and hydrating daily sheet mask that will have your skin feeling refreshed and ready for the hot summer days. Why we love it. The sheet mask is pure bliss. It helped energize our skin with vitamin C and other awesome antioxidant-rich ingredients. The Acerola cherry, I'm probably saying that wrong, helped calm blemishes with its astringent properties, while the royal jelly extract helped heal and moisturize our skin. Oh, and it's super cooling, great for those morning sheet mask moments. When to use? In the morning when you need a boost of something cooling goodness to wake you up and get you ready to soak up the sun. Awesome. Anything that says something about like clearing blemishes, I'm like, yes. And the cooling part of it sounds great too. So I'm excited to try this. The retail value is $2.50. This third mask is by Farm State, the Real Mango Essence Mask. It says, brighten up your complexion with this mango sheet mask. It's the perfect mask for a boost of hydration to help refresh your skin. Why we love it. When we tried this mask, we thought we were in paradise. The sweet scent from the mango fruit extract lingers while using this mask. We were also left with a dewy, bright complexion. When to use it? At night or in the morning when you want your skin to have that extra boost of radiance, go ahead and outshine anyone or everyone. You got this. Retail price $2.50. The last one looks interesting. The last one is by Mask Science MetaHeal. It's the NMF Intense Hydrating Mask. So, and this is made with a cotton liner sheet. Here's what it looks like. It says, is your skin tired after a long day of strolling along the park and basking in the sun? This sheet mask provides calming and healing properties that will boost the moisture of your skin, leaving it plump, dewy, and healthy. Why we love it. We are obsessed with the amazing skin healing ingredients in this sheet mask. Witch hazel water helped reduce our inflammation, irritation, and acne while also protecting our skin from damage and infection. In addition, our skin was left super moisturized thanks to the antioxidant trehalose, which works to moisturize by matching the NMF, which stands for Natural Moisturizing Factor, that is found in our outermost layer of the skin. So pretty much, our skin was thanking us for the awesome treatment. When to use? After a fun summer night out with friends. Awesome. I'm excited to use all of these. And then there's some tips on the bottom of the sheet. I think they provide these every month. It says, do not leave masks on for over 30 minutes. Use the remaining essence to moisturize the neck and shoulders. And make sure to apply a moisturizer to lock in the essence from the mask. Awesome. And then it says, want to upgrade to our 7 Lux plan? Use code FRESH2LUX for 20% off your first box. There's something else in here this month. Usually this doesn't come with it. It says Facetory Lux Plus Summer Story. You get 15% off your first Lux Plus. $160 or more value for only $42.46. So what is this? Oh wow, so you get 12 masks it looks like. They go through and tell you everything. So it says Lux Plus Summer Story. The sun is shining.
Should be able to answer that question.
Sorry, I wasn't talking to you. The sun is shining. Time to soothe, calm, and protect your skin. Whether you're staying in or relaxing or going out and traveling, our Summer Lux Plus is here to help out your skin. Filled with some of the best products for summer, your skin will stay healthy and glowing all season. I think I saw someone open this on YouTube and it was like, it's a seasonal box they put out. So if you guys are interested, I guess you can save some money using that code there. So yeah, these are the 4 masks. Then we have the MetaHeal NMF Intense Hydrating Mask with hyaluronic acid, it says on top, so that's cool. The Real Mango Essence Mask. the Day Nature mask, and the Cocktail Blue Hawaii mask. I'm honestly excited to use all of them. I think the one that sounds the most appealing to me is like the Day Nature mask, or maybe the MetaHeal one, the Intense Hydrating mask, like when I really feel like I need some hydration. That would be cool. So let's see, how long have I had this mask on now? It's been about 15 minutes, so maybe I will take it off, and we'll see. This was a really wet mask, by the way, so there's probably a lot of essence on there. I know you guys did not see my, like, before. Oh yeah, there's a lot. What I like to do is like move it down my neck and chest, so I will probably do that. But anyways, yeah, so far I'll have to see how my skin is the rest of the day. I'm probably really red and scary looking right now. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unbagging this Facetory box for July, or Facetory bag. I always mix up box and bag, but you guys know what I mean. But anyways, have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!